Infiniti will allegedly give the Q60 a Formula One-inspired boost by equipping the sports coupe with a racing-derived hybrid powertrain for a concept at the Paris Motor Show at the beginning of October. This updated version of last year's Project Black S Q60 concept from the Geneva Motor Show reportedly be production-ready this time so that assembly will be able to begin relatively quickly after receiving a green light to move forward from company execs, according to Car Advice. Like the earlier concept, the new Q60 Black S would likely have around 500 horsepower. The Red Sport 400's 3.0-liter biturbo V6 generally makes the eponymous 400 horsepower, but the new version would receive F1-inspired motor generator units. One of them would harvest power under braking, and the other would feed off the heat of the exhaust gases. Electricity would then help turn the crankshaft and turbos for allegedly lag-free acceleration. A titanium exhaust should save some pounds and make the V6 sound even better. The production model would also follow the concept by getting a more aggressive suspension layout. Carbon fiber components would help cut weight to balance the extra pounds from the extra hybrid components. Car Advice also alleges the road-going version would drop the Q60's direct adaptive steer-by-wire technology in favor of a more traditional setup. Tommaso Vole, Infiniti Director Global Motorsport and Performance Projects, told Car Advice that the company has already found suppliers for the electric system components. However, the top execs at the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi alliance still need to sign off on the project. This means the model wouldn't arrive on the road until 2020 at the earliest. With around 500 horsepower on tap, the Q60 Black S would give Infiniti a competitor against the likes of the 444 horsepower Audi RS5, 467 horsepower Lexus RCF, and 503 horsepower Mercedes-AMG C63 South. The rest of these models lack the Infiniti's high-tech hybrid system, though, which could set the vehicle apart in the performance coupe ranks.